Alright everyone, we're back again. It's the next day after we've glued up the knife, so I've pulled off all the sticky tape. It's all locked up, it's all nice and hard. The arrow dial was all 5 minute. So now what I'm going to do is sand it all back again, get rid of all the glue and start going through all the sanding for it. So I've got sandpaper up here. I've got all the way up to 1200 grit, but I'm not going to go that high. I also bought some hard wax, so that's what I'm going to finish off the handle with a buffing wheel. So first time I've done this, got recommended to me by another knife maker, so I'm going to give that a go and see what it comes up like. So it's Friday, hope you've had a great day. Thanks for joining me, hope you had a good weekend, everybody in lockdown. So the sooner it's over, the sooner everybody can get back to normal life. Welcome back everyone to the channel on another freezing cold Melbourne night here. I think it's the coldest day in 20 odd years or 50 years or something they reckon. So we're back on the knife build. So I did a bit of work on this without videoing it. Come out one night having a few beers and kept working away on it. Now I did something a little bit silly with this. I polished it up, took it to about 800 grit. And then I hit it with some wax, some furniture wax, thinking that it was going to polish it up. I just got some hard wax from Bunnings. And wasn't really happy with how it came out. So then I started looking and got under the bench and found some clear, clear varnish basically. And then I painted a bit of that on and it absolutely come out shit house. So I've been sanding it back. And the handle's still not back to where I want it. It looks flat. It just doesn't look like it's got any life about it. And I'm really not happy with it. So I've been taking it back really slowly and hitting it on the buffing wheel to try and get it to come back and give a bit of shine to it. I don't think you can tell from here with the lighting that I've got in the shed, etc. What it looks like, etc. But I'm not 100% happy with it. Anyway, so what I've decided to do is I'm going to keep taking it back all the way again, and then I'll hit it again with just the polish and be done with it, and yeah, go from there. So anyway, thought I'd bring you along and we'll go from there. Alright, so after a lot of hard work, we've got there. It is completely done. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how things have turned out with this knife. I hope my mate likes it that I've done it for in the States, and he gets a lot of use out of it and everything else. So I took all the sandpaper off it, all the coating off it, and I've redone it with just the polish on it. It's coming pretty nice. I'm, pretty wrapped with how it's come out. Obviously, I'm still learning. Still got a fair bit to practice on and grinding in my bevels. I've put a few marks on my blade that I'm not too happy about, but overall, it is as sharp can be. And yeah, you're not going to get it. You're not going to get it any sharper. Alright, so I've just hit it on the paper wheel. Ooh, dang. She's sharp. Joy. Anyway, so, as I said, it's come up pretty well. I'm very happy with it. Overall 4-inch length blade, 9.5 inches end to end, and yeah, hopefully a few more of these on the way. Get them out to some other people that want them, and hope you've enjoyed watching the series so far. Anyway, have a great evening, and yeah, catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching Aussie Dad Life.